Did you know? Seafarers are among the most important and often most overlooked professionals in the world. Let's dive into some surprising facts. First up, there are over 1.6 million seafarers working today across global shipping. That's a whole lot of people ensuring that the world keeps moving. Here's a mind blower. More than 80% of everything you use, clothes, food, electronics, arrive by ship thanks to seafarers. Imagine all the things you rely on daily and how they got to you. Now picture this. Seafarers often face weeks of rough seas, isolation, and unpredictable weather, yet they keep those massive ships running safely. A tough job, but crucial. And did you know? Crews are incredibly diverse. On one ship you might work alongside colleagues from 5, 10, or even 15 different countries. It's like a mini United Nations out there on the ocean. Finally, despite all the challenges seafarers face, from long periods away from home to unforeseen weather changes, seafaring remains one of the most respected careers worldwide. It's a tough gig with immense responsibility, but the respect it garners is well earned. So, now you know, seafarers are truly the hidden heroes of global trade. Next time you pick up an imported item, think of the incredible journey it took to get to you. Candina Group. Proud to support the world's seafarers.